Hi children, now we are going to study about fractions and decimals, our second chapter. Fractions, we studied about fractions last year. Fractions are three types: proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fractions. Now we can study proper fractions. 2 upon 7, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 5. These types of fractions are known as proper fractions. We know fractions have numerator and denominator. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. This is known as proper fraction. Numerator will be smaller than the denominator. That is P by Q. P will be the numerator, Q is the denominator. Where Q will not be 0. Q we cannot be 0. Because we studied that division by 0 is not defined. Any other number. It can be any other number. So 2 upon 7, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 5. Check here what is its meaning. Here the value of proper fraction is always less than 1. Less than 1. Why it is always less than 1? Because we are dividing an object into two parts. Suppose this is one cake. We can divide this into two parts. This is known as 2. That we can represent it as denominator, these two. Among this you are getting only one piece. That means you are not going to get this full cake. Only half of this. This is represented by 1 by 2. Next 2 upon 7. That means one cake we are going to divide this into 7 pieces. Okay. Among this, you are going to get only 7 pieces. That is, 2 pieces. Only 2 pieces. Remaining 5 pieces you didn't get. So, anyway, you didn't get complete cake. So, the value is less than 1. Clear? Next, improper fractions. Here, 2 upon 7, 8 upon 7, 5 upon 2. Here you just look at here. The denominator is greater than the numerator for proper fraction. But here denominator is less than the numerator. So numerator is greater here. You think about this 8 upon 7. That means we have cut one cake into 7 pieces. How many pieces are there? That is representing by denominator. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anyway, you got full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is 7 upon 7. Again, you didn't complete this part because you got 8 pieces. That means again one more cake was there. That cake also you have cut into 7 pieces. Among this you got one more piece. So this is 1 upon 7. So we can say the value of improper fraction is always greater than 1. Greater than 1. That means you are getting complete one cake and extra pieces also. So here you got 7 pieces completely. Next one more piece you got there. That is representing by improper fraction. Next one, mixed fraction. Here 1, 2 on 3. That means 1 is representing whole part. And next you are getting 2 pieces out of 3. Actually this means you got 1 full piece. Okay, 1 cake you got full, and this is representing by 1. That means denominator. What is the denominator? 3 is the denominator. You have cut 1 cake into 3 pieces. Among this you got full. This is represented by this whole number. That means 3 pieces you got. This is known as 3 upon 3. This 3 upon 3 is representing by 1. Next 2 upon 3. That means next from next cake, that also we have cut into 3 pieces. Among this you got 2 pieces. This is 2 upon 3. Okay, that is whole part will be there. Next fraction will be proper fraction. So this is representing by 3 upon 3 you got first, and next 2 upon 3. So this is representing by mixed number. 3 upon 3 we know that is known as 1, 1, 2 upon 3. The value of mixed fraction and improper fraction is always greater than 1. We can change improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed into improper. Mixed into improper and improper into mixed. One mixed fraction 2, 1 on 3. How can we change into improper fraction? Here this is 3 upon 3. Again 3 upon 3. Next we are getting only 1 upon 3. Because here whole part is representing how many 3 upon 3. How many 3 upon 3 you got there? That is 3 upon 3 and 3 upon 3. 2 times completely you got. Next you got 1 more piece. That is 1 upon 3. So total how many pieces you got? That is 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3. Okay. Then this way we have changed a mixed number into improper fraction. Actually this is happening. How can we do this actually? That is 2 times 3 plus 1 divided by 3. That is 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 on 3. How it happened? That is whole number times denominator plus 1. That is denominator. That is whole number times denominator plus numerator divided by denominator itself. This is the way. We have to multiply whole number and denominator, and that product we have to add with the numerator, then write the denominator itself. Now we are checking how can we change improper into mixed. One example, 7 upon 2. This is an improper fraction. How can we change this into mixed fraction? Here 2 upon 2. How many times we can write there? 2 upon 2. Again 2 upon 2. Again 2 upon 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Again 2, that will come as 8. So we can't take that again 2. What is the remaining? Only 1 is the remaining. So 1 upon 2. So here how many 2 upon 2 are there? 3 2 upon 2. So remaining 1 upon 2. So this will be the mixed fraction. Equivalent mixed fraction of this improper fraction. How can we do? In another way. Now our question was 7 upon 2. We can divide 7 by 2. How many 2's are there in 7? 3 2's are there in 7. 3 2's are 6. Then subtract 1 will be there. This quotient 3 we have to mention here. remainder will be there and 2 will be here. This is the equivalent mixed number. Okay children, I think you got some idea about fractions. Thank you.